Greetings, I'm Craig Smizer with RE/MAX Capital City. Welcome to the June 2015 edition of How's the Market in Steiner Ranch. This month, I'll take another close look at pricing and upcoming trends that I see. In May, 32 homes closed in Steiner Ranch, which was down 27.3% from May of 2014. This marks the third month in a row of lower year-over-year sales. The median price increased 1.3% to almost $423,000. The average price of a resale home increased 4.8% to over $491,000. Increases in both of these numbers break a 3-month streak of declines. The average price per square foot declined by 0.3 of a percentage point to over $154. Now, in order to get a better picture of the market, let's look at the last 6 months and compare it to the corresponding 6-month period from a year earlier. In this case, the median price of a resale home decreased 2.6% to $424,500. The average price decreased also by 2.6% to almost $491,000. The average price per square foot increased by 0.1 of a percentage point to over $151. Last month, I talked about 2 different markets in Steiner Ranch, with the separation point being at $600,000. If you recall, the houses below that point were selling fine, while those above were beginning to show signs of slowness. This month, the story's the same, but I will lower the split point to $550,000. Now, before analyzing the numbers for May, I thought I would have to talk about the fact that prices are trending downward in Steiner Ranch. I'm in this market every day, and it looks to me like the Steiner market is weakening. However, the stats ticked up a bit last month. Still thinking the current market is pulling back, I decided to look at the houses that are currently under contract and are set to close in June or July. I was again surprised to see that these point to higher sales prices. So why do I think we're softening? Well, several reasons. First, the number of properties reducing their prices during the first few days of June has been far higher than I can recall. I don't specifically track this statistic, but every price reduction in Steiner passes through my email, so I always have a good handle on how many price reductions are going on. Second, the days on market for active homes has been inching higher for months. Third, we are floating high inventories above $550,000. So based on this, I expect we'll see a short-term increase in prices based on the contracts currently in the pipeline. After that, though, I think we're going to see prices drop a little bit. It is definitely an interesting time for Steiner Ranch real estate, especially as we watch the overall Austin market continue to move higher. Whether you're buying or selling, you need someone who understands the nuances of the Steiner Ranch market and can guide you appropriately. I am just that person, so contact me today. Now, the number of available resale homes at the beginning of May was 95, up 14.5% from last May. As the number of homes available changes every day, I can tell you that the numbers continue to increase. As I record this in early June, we have over 100 active homes in Steiner Ranch. And to be clear, that does not include the number of homes that are under contract. Now, across Steiner, the May sales ranged from a low of $299,000 to a high of $925,000. The average sales price to list price ratio was 98.6%, and for homes that closed in May, the average days on market was 34. As always, my website allows you to look at summary and detailed data for each Steiner Ranch neighborhood. Simply go to realestateinAustin.com and click on the big red Search Sold Data button, which is found towards the bottom of the page. Now, I say that every month, but you may wonder what I mean by it. For every neighborhood in Steiner Ranch, you can view the summary sales data for this month, this year, last year, and other time frames. If you register, which of course is free, you can see the addresses, sales prices, numbers of bedrooms, bathrooms, and other information for each house that closed. It's definitely valuable information, so be sure to check it out. If you have any real estate related questions, please don't hesitate to call me at 512-650-7300 or email me at craig@realestateinAustin.com. Thanks for watching. How's the market in Steiner Ranch?